Yeah, good afternoon, students. This is regarding this input operations on files. So how we can write the data into the file and how we can read the data from a file. So that we are going to discuss in this today's classroom discussion topic. Now I would like to share my screen. So input operations on sequential files. So how we can perform this input, that is reading operations. So summary of the previous CDT is that the recap is in real life we want to store the data in terms of files for later usage. So a file is a collection of characters which are stored on the secondary storage device like hard disk or pen drives. C language supports there are two different kinds of files that we have seen, text files and binary files. And in order to perform these file operations, we require to define a file pointer, and once after declaring the file pointer you have to open a file in the respective mode, and the file name you have to give for this fopen function. So the different types of modes we have seen here: read, write, append modes. So RWA, R plus, W plus and A plus. So they are opened for both reading and writing purpose. They are opened that reading and appending mode here. So that is what we have seen in the previous class. So now the today's CDT lecture objective is that this session will develop the students' knowledge on file handling functions. The outcome of this session is that after completion of this session, students will be able to develop the code in C language using files concept. So we had a discussion on two important file handling functions in the previous CDT. So one is the fopen and other one is the fclose. We saw that. So what are the basic file operations that we can perform on files? Or opening a file, creation of a file, reading data, writing data, and closing of a file. So these are the basic operations, and we are provided these functions, built-in functions are provided, which we are calling it as a file handling functions. And the two important functions which we are already discussed is fopen and fclose. Now these are another important functions which we can perform reading as well as writing operations. One is fscanf and fprintf. So these fscanf and fprintf will take this file pointer as the first argument, and then control string as the second argument, and then the list of variables we will take here. So this fprintf is used for file printing. So that means you want to write something which is called it as this mixed type of data. If you want to write into a file like name, age and gender. Name is a character array, age is a integer value, gender is a character. So if you want to write a mixed type of data like this percentage S, percentage D, percentage C, so into this file which is pointed by the file pointer, we can make use of fprintf. Similarly, fscanf is used to read the data from this file, mixed type of data if you want to read that. So if you want to read a item, so which is a string, and quantity which is a integer data you want to read from the file, you can make use of this fscanf function. Then other important functions are these are used in basically what we are calling it as the character reading and writing functions. So getC and putC, fgetC, fputC we can call it as. So this is what the file pointer we can give, and it returns the character. And then we have here putC. This is generally call it as fputC. We can say it as, this is fgetC. We can say it as, and then we can use putC of character comma file pointer. It will write the character into the file. So fgetW and fputW, which is used for reading and writing of the integer data into your file. Okay, so then another one is EOF, which stands for end of file character. So it is a predefined character in the stdio.h. So it is an integer predefined character constant with an integer value, end of file indicating that. Fine. And now we will see that as program to read the data from the keyboard here. So we are declaring a file pointer fp and character some ch, and then fp is equal to fopen file1.c. We are creating a file and we are opening the file in write mode, and we are reading a character from the keyboard. Ch is equal to getchar, so it will read the character. Getchar is a function used to read the character from the keyboard. It is unformatted input function, and if it is not equal to EOF, then we are putting that character into the file. That is put C of CH comma FP. So then we are closing this file. So this is what we are calling it as a file creation program. Then if we want to display the contents of a given file, how do we display that contents of the given file? Same here, we are opening the file in read mode. In the earlier case, we opened the file in write mode. Fine. So we are repeating that ch equal to get c of fp. We are reading the character which is pointed by the file pointer into this local variable ch, and then we are put char function we are using to display that character onto the screen. While ch not equal to EOF, this operation will be repeated. So by making use of do while loop, we are doing that. So now this is a reflection spot. Which of the following is true about the file star FP? Any answer for this? Option A is file is a keyword in C for representing the files and FP variable of file type. File is a stream, file is a buffered stream. So file is a structure and FP is a pointer to the structure of file type. Any answer? Yes, D is the right answer for this. Okay, so if you are not able to answer this question, please refer to this, watch this video from the beginning. Fine. So LOs are revisited here. After completion of this session, students will be able to develop the code in C language. So summary of this session is that we are provided certain built-in functions in files. So we can make use of those built-in functions to perform all these file operations. Lecture level practice problems. Develop a C program to copy the contents of one text file into another text file. So these are the further readings. You can refer to these further readings as textbook and reference books are given here. So thank you one and all.